Hi everyone! An English statement normally starts with the subject, and very often it doesn't. And when it happens, we sometimes use the is-there structure. Let's talk about it today. And that's how we make statements, negative sentences and questions using this structure. There is a car in the parking lot. The new noun here is a car, mind the article, and the place here is the parking lot, mind the article. Okay, and negative sentence. There isn't anybody in the house. Questions. Are there any flowers in the vase? How many flowers are there in the vase? Okay, the use. We use this structure to introduce a new noun or a compound pronoun and to say that something exists. And in this case, we may skip the place. Let's talk about tenses. We use this structure in the present, in the past, and in the future with simple and perfect tenses. We don't use this structure with continuous tenses, as we remember, to be is non-progressive. Okay, let's talk about some important details. What do we use before the noun in the structure? We use the indefinite articles, we use some, any, no, we use quantifiers, much, many, and so on. And we use numbers, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and what don't we use before the noun in this structure? We don't use the definite article, we don't use demonstratives, these and that, and we don't use possessive adjectives, my, their, your, and so on. Please remember, when we introduce several nouns in the sentence and the first one is singular, the verb is also singular. For example, there is a chair and 2 beds in the room. And if the first noun is plural, then the verb is also plural. There are 2 chairs and a bed in the room. And it's time to practice now.